Hi again. I'd like to show you some very basic low back and hamstring stretch that can benefit you when you're having an increase in low back pain or you just feel like you're very stiff. It's a very basic exercise that I teach most of my patients. So what you do is you lie down on the floor. The bed is usually too soft, and get into what I call position A, or home position. In this exercise, your legs are always bent. So your legs are never straight when you're doing this exercise. So once again, I get into home position, both legs bent. I then bring one knee up, my right knee in this case, and I grab my knee and I pull my knee towards my chest. And I hold for a count of 3. Then I push out with the knee, but I resist with my hands, basically doing an isometric contraction, and I hold that for a count of 3. Then I pull in again for a count of 3, and then I push out for a count of 3. I put that leg down, back to home position, and I do the opposite leg. Once again, pull in for a count of 3, push out for a count of 3, and repeat that again. And then I bring both knees up, once again, pulling in for a count of 3, pushing out for a count of 3. I repeat that 2 times. I then come back to home position. I bring the knees together, put the hands flat on the floor, and I very easily and gently rotate my hips to one side. Let that relax there for just a few seconds. Come back to home position and go to the opposite side. And relax that for a couple minutes, or a couple seconds. And come back up. Now getting up from this position, we'd rather you not do a straight sit-up, but rather we'd like you to turn to the side and push yourself up, and then get to your hands and knees in that position. Thanks.